Yes, sir. I'm here, Kevin. Go ahead.
The other station, could you hear him? He's probably up next year. I heard a N9. I thought he said voice modulated carrier VMC. Are you copying him better than me? And we'll turn it over to Sam here in just a minute.
No, he was in my noise. I'll look back on the list and see.
Okay, well, I'm sure it's going to get better, hopefully. All right, well, let's see, K3FZD, and then we got him. All right, well, it's 7 o'clock, guys, and, well, we got about 10 or so or less, and hopefully more come in. I'll turn it over to Sam and let him do the officers and all that, and assume the call W4AMI. So, Sam, go ahead and pick it up. I'll try to help you get through this if I can. It's kind of noisy, so KF4TXQ, assuming the call W4AMI. This is WA4KM.
Okay. Thanks a lot for a good pre-net with a lot of difficulties and a lot of issues. All right, we just got to do the best we can because we can't bat 1,000 and we ain't in charge. We just take what comes. All right, this is W4AMI, Sam in Alabama. I'm in Dadeville, Alabama. My call is KF4TXQ, and welcome to the SAMRC Swap and Fellowship Net. We every Tuesday evening on 3885 kilocycles in the AM mode. The pre-net began about 5:30 Central Time, with the net beginning now at 6 o'clock Central Time. This is a directed net. All communications should be directed through net control. The call sign for this net is W4AMI. Your net control this evening is Sam. My call is KF4TXQ. The purpose of this net is the buying, selling, and trading of vintage AM equipment and parts. And a large part of this net is on the Air Fellowship. And as y'all have experienced, we're lucky. Tonight, so we're gonna do the best we can. All right, my son. Let me call on Brother Bob again. K4BKC in Columbia, Tennessee is our president. And Bob, go ahead. It is your turn, sir. This is W4AMI.
Well, W4AMI, this is K4BKC. Fine business, Sam. Well, y'all are doing a wonderful job under difficult circumstances. Kevin, I think the station that was calling was N9AMI. That's John. He's the president of AM International, and he was, I bet that's who it was. He checks in with us pretty regular, and we're proud to have him. Dr. Johnson texted me and said they had terrible storms there and he wouldn't be able to check in, so we'll mark him down. And that's one thing I wanted to encourage everyone to check out the website, w4ami.org, and see the results of Dr. Johnson's hard work on that. It is a beautiful website. I want to continue to ask for thoughts and prayers for the people that are ill, that are in our group, that we know of. Ben, W4CP, in Mentone, Alabama, and Perry's son, K4CWW's son, Will, down in Georgia. And we appreciate that. And Norm, W7IUC, over here in Nashville. But rough night tonight. Appreciate everyone that's made the effort to check in. Thank you for your patience appreciate you giving us your time. Everything's going well here in Columbia. I'm on the 20V2 tonight and listening on the AirSpy receiver, trying to use some of the noise cancellation on it. So back to you, Kevin. Sam, excuse me. W4AMI. This is K4BKC.
Okay, Bob, fine business. Copied every bit of that, and you're coming through good. But I'll tell you what, there's plenty of natural generated noise in there with you, I guarantee you. That was K4BKC in Columbia, Tennessee, our club president, and thanks for being here. KA4AMI, are you there? Williamson, Georgia, over. Well, I expect not, but anyway, Eddie is our treasurer and our money counter, so, you know, but anyway, it's good to have him on the roster and everything. I wish he could be here, but I understand how it is. Thanks for taking a chance when the electricity is flying around in the clouds like that. All right, let's see. Well, let's go on back up and try to pick up some of these folks that had already checked in off of the pre-net. And watch me, Kevin, don't let me leave anybody out. All right. We had Rob, AB4AM in Dawsonville, Georgia, on a Valiant. Rob, it is your turn, sir. This is W4AMI.
All right, Sam. W4AMI in the group. This is AB4AM. Rob over here in the big metropolis of Dawsonville, Georgia, where we're trying to keep our head down low and dodge all of these thunderstorms. And hopefully Thor will just keep missing us. That's what we're hoping for anyway, but he's getting a little close. But everybody's signal's coming in pretty good, and I think it was John M9AMI. You had a great quieting signal here. Just didn't get a chance to try to pass it along there. But anyway, everybody's signal's, like I say, coming in great. Just glad I was able to get off work a little early tonight and get in here. So we'll have to see how the rest of the week holds up. Hopefully we can get in here a little bit more often. But, you know how work is. That's a bad four-letter word sometimes, but got to do it to keep the bills paid, and that way we can keep buying some this lovely equipment and keeping it up on the air. So it all comes full circle, I guess. But other than that, good to be in here. I won't hold it because I know conditions are not the best tonight. So back to you, Sam. Good to see everybody in here this evening, and hope to get back in here as best we can. W4AMI, take it from AB4AM.
On the power block or not, but anyway, what you're on now is sounding good. Thank you for being there. Okay, next on my list is Billy, KO4SSY in Murphy, North Carolina. Billy, it is your turn, sir. This is W4AMI.
Mighty fine sound, W4AMI. This is KO4SSY returning. And so when I first started out this evening on my pre-net, we was on the Johnson 500, and I figured I'd make a little switcheroo and get on the multi-LMAC and play it with Uncle Henry there a little bit just to get out and about for a little while. And this is AF67 or 8. I've got several of the 67s also. But anyways, this is the one that I'm running right now. And thanks for picking me up, Sam. It's always a pleasure to chat with you. And listen to everybody on the second. So that being said, we'll give it back over to you, W4AMI, KO4SSY, beautiful Murphy, North Carolina. Over.
Okay, that rig you're on now sounds good, Billy, and good to have you with us. Sorry it's such a sorry night, but you know how it is. We just have to go regardless. We have to dodge the weather and go with it and do whatever we can. Good to hear you. All right. Next on my list is Lenny, K4HUM in Barnesville, Georgia. Lenny, it is your turn, sir. W4AMI. Lenny may not be able to hear. Maybe some thunderstorms on him. You there, Lenny? K4HUM. Nothing heard. Okay. Next on my list is Greg, WB4KKJ. It is your turn, Greg. This is W4AMI. Nearly all of that. Just got lightning, got a little bit. You know how it is. But anyway, good to have you with us, and I hope things are going well where you are. Next we got John, K4VZS in Pensacola. John, it is your turn, sir. W4AMI.
Right there. There's not no sense. We'll try it again next week. W4AMI.
Okay, John, well, I hope things are pretty good down there in Pensacola. I hope y'all aren't having real bad weather, but you know how it is. We just got to buckle up under it, whatever we can do. Next on my roster, is there a K3 station on your roster? Over.
Yeah, that's Larry. K3 Foxtrot Zulu Delta.
All right. Larry, K3 Fox Zulu Delta. It is your turn, sir. This is W4AMI.
With the QRM, you got me some that are very difficult on others, and I don't know how well you're getting me, so I may not be above the noise level, so I'll just keep it short. W4AMI, K3MZC, over.
Okay, Larry, mighty good. I got most of that. You started out a little weak, but you came up, and appreciate you being there and trying. And we're just rocking along and doing the best we can. But, boy, this is a tough night. No doubt about it. Thanks for being there, Larry. Okay, next we got Bob, November 9AMI. N9AMI. Bob, it is your turn, sir. This is W4AMI.
Well, you had it close anyways. W4AMI, N9AMI. Name is John. I am on the roster there. Juliet Oscar Hotel November. Remote for Kennesaw, Georgia. 25 watts, 7610. We'll just keep it short because lots of lightning on the screen here, and probably shouldn't even be operating. But wanted to get in here with you guys and keep up with the guys on the southeast there. So send it back to you, and hopefully next go around we'll have better conditions, less thunderstorms. W4AMI and 9AMI.
Maybe next time Mother nature and propagation will be a little kinder to us. But anyway, thanks a lot for being there, N9 AMI. Appreciate you being there and appreciate the work you do for the AMI. All right, let me send it back to you, Kevin. WA4KM. Is anybody else I need to call up before I wrap it up, Kenny? You check in?
Well, we had Virgil, but I think he unplugged in that K5 CUB. I don't know if Lee's still in there or not, but and you maybe try that Lee up there, K5 CUB. But I think you can, other than that, that'll be it. You could try some more, but good luck. WA4KM, back to you, Sam.
Okay, we'll do the best we can with what nature allows. You know how that goes. But anyway, all right, appreciate it, Kevin. Okay, next we've got Lee, K5 CUB in Van Prairie, Mississippi. Lee, go ahead and make one. It is your turn, sir. This is W4 AMI. I don't hear Lee.
I don't hear him either.
Okay, mighty fine. Thanks, Kevin. All right, let's see. And you said try Virgil X, is that right?
Yeah, that'll be the last one I've got on my list as well.
All right, we'll rock along here. Virgil, W4OLJ, Sweetwater, Tennessee. It is your turn. Your turn. 4 AMI. Over. Virgil is dodging and lightning too. So anyway, that's the way it goes. This is W4 AMI, Southeastern AM Radio Club, Swapping Fellowship there. All right, here's the Omega Curl. Here's the last call for the SAMRC net for tonight. Anybody that wants to get in on the tail end of the SAMRC W4 net, come now with your call. Over. All right, it was W4 question mark. Did you copy him, Kevin?
That's what I got. W4 and then a crash got it. Try it again.
Try it again, W4 question mark. Boy, the static crashes is just too much. I'm not copying. Does anybody copy that station? This is W4 AMI.
K4 BKC, Los Frank, Diane, Pace, Florida, N4, Oakbay, Able, Easy.
Oh, okay, Frank, Mr. N4 XAE, Diane, Pace, Florida. Okay, mighty good, Mr. Frank. Come on in. Hop in, sir. This is W4 AMI. Good to meet you.
He passed it back to you, Sam.
Roger. Thank you all for trying. And Mr. Frank, if you can hear me, well, we'll look for you next week. Let's hope it works out. But anyway, this is W4 with the SAMRC Swapping Fellowship net. And we've already made the Omega call, so I guess that's probably everybody that's going to try to check in. Kevin, let me turn it back to you and see if you need to wrap anything up. WA4KM, KF4TXQ.
Okay, Sam. Well, good job on the net. Yeah, I'll tell you, it says a rough night, but you got a good job. And Frank, I did hear you there again, N4XAE. Frank and Miss Lisa there. I guess we'll close out this time for everybody to check in on a Thursday night Gulf Coast moment. And I guess that's a wrap, Sam. Done a good job under adverse conditions, but we got through it. And thanks for everybody's help. And we'll look forward to seeing everybody next Tuesday. Back over to you, Sam. W84KM. Bill Loretta.
Okay, Kevin. Well, I tell you what, it's a team effort, no doubt about it, and we're all got our shoulders to the wheel. But anyway, thanks a lot for what you do, Kevin. You run a good pre-net, and always glad to have you on my team. Let's see. This concludes the SAMRC Swap and Fellowship Net. Thanks for those who checked in and participated on our net. And please remember the Gulf Coast Miller Society met on Thursday at 6 Central Time on 3885 KC and the AMers. Clear and returning the frequency to normal